Welcome back. In this lecture, let's learn to sort the data. I have defined Oracle connection where I'm extracting employees table. There is a method expression where we are manipulating the data. Let's use the result of this expression method and sort the records. Let's create a new method, def sort. Let's get the result of expression method. Data is equal to row for row n self dot expression. Let's print the data. Let's call the method object name ETL dot method name sort. Let's print the data in for loop. For row in data, print row. Let's sort the data by salary. Let's say data is equal to, let's use sorted method. Sorted of data key is equal to lambda row of 2. Index of salary is 2. Employee ID is 0. Name is 1 and salary is 2. Let's print the data. Data is sorted in ascending order. We have all the records sorted properly. In order to sort the data in descending order, let's pass the parameter reverse is equal to true. Now all the records are sorted in descending order according to salary. Thank you. See you in the next lecture.